guys, my name is Sarah and today we'll be creating a pair of leg warmers. So it's really made out of some random false fur I got out of Walmart the other day that my mom bought for me that I was supposed to make a while ago that I'm just now getting to. But I just, want to hop straight into this and leave all the details at the end. So here I'm just measuring my leg, seeing how long my leg is, measuring from like the bottom of the knee to my ankle. That was about like 12 inches. And I was looking for something to write down with. Eventually I found something clearly. Next, I wanted to go ahead and measure around my leg. That was about 14 inches and I added like an extra inch because I wanted there to be wiggle room. I didn't want it to squeeze me. And here's the next clip. You see me measuring it out. Now, the first line I'm drawing is how long it's going to be. And the second line I'm drawing is the width around my leg. So, here's that, mark it up. And I'm really trying to make sure, giving myself like other places to mark off of. This is just me cutting it out. And I was really mad because it was like hair all over my room. So if I look annoyed, it's fur all over my room and I have yet to vacuum it up. Yeah, I cut it out. There you go. Make sure it fit around my leg. Pretty snug. Now this is an old shirt from Forever 21 I no longer use. It's kind of scratchy though. So I was gonna go ahead and cut it and add it to like the back of it. So when I put it on, I had like some space, like it squeezed me like a rubber band but not hurt me. So I went ahead, I cut the back of the shirt up and I laid it down and I pick out some pieces to cut from it. So first I cut out a little square. We're cutting out a square slowly, cutting out a square. And then I went ahead and I measured it again to make sure I get the same measurements. You want to make sure you're cutting inside the line when you measure things like this. That's how you get the correct measurements without making sure the second piece isn't like that big. And I swear the second piece still ended up that big. Anyway, so we cut the second piece out and I wanted to go ahead and seal the edges because if you don't know, if you just cut fabric, it kind of just unravels and stuff. So I like to just seal the edges. My sewing machine is out of luck right now. So we are a hot glue gun warrior right now. 2 pieces. So now we're just gluing it on the false fur and stuff. Would have added like a little layer of fabric onto the back of this false fur if my sewing machine didn't give out. So just making sure that I'm adding it on the right way. You don't really have to do this. You could for real just glue the thing together, but I did this because I didn't like the feeling of the thing just like squeak, like that weird feeling. I wanted it to be easy for me to take off, while being able to scratch. Now, this is in case it's like too big for you. Like I had to glue those together at the top. And while I left the bottom piece alone. Now, making this video of my ring lights that I got of TikTok shop that are predominantly made for taking pictures has gone out I don't know how many times. But here we are. All done. And now I gotta edit and voice over the pieces that I wasn't talking in. See you in the next one.